By the afternoon, it's sizzling outside. 110 in North Las Vegas. Ditto from Nellis down toward downtown Henderson. 108 in Boulder City. 108 from West Henderson, across the 15 through the Southern Highlands. 107 over in Summerlin. Our 13-hour temperature forecast, pretty decent until about 9 in the morning. Would be an all right morning for a jog or a bike ride or a dog walk. But I tell you what, by 10 a.m. it's 97 and it is getting uncomfortable if you're outside. Triple digits here from 11 a.m. onward. Now, maybe you're lucky enough that the neighborhood pool is open, or you've got a backyard pool, or you're thinking about the splash pad with the little kids. Just make sure you're still covered up in sunscreen. A sunburn can happen in about 15 minutes, middle of the day into the early afternoon. We are looking at moderate air quality, still the potential for a little bit of wildfire smoke. The thick smoke has stayed out of our little corner of the west, but there's some diffuse smoke and also some ozone out there. So Laura, Category 3 major hurricane, could be a 4 later today. This is expected to make landfall basically tonight, right along the Louisiana-Texas coastline. This is 1 in the morning our time, so there'll be 3 in the morning central time. Look at the chance of hurricane force winds here in places like Lake Charles, Louisiana, 90% chance that those winds get above 75 miles per hour. So there's going to be some problems in the central Gulf Coast. Our wind, a little breezy, 25 mile per hour gust just to accompany the heat. The heat warning lasts through tomorrow, 107 Friday, 105 Saturday. So Kalina, real hot through the start of the weekend, but Sunday we're 103, Monday 101, and then Tuesday for the first time since the 1st of July, a high in the 90s.